Let's get one thing straight. Everyone loves the idea of having fresh ice on demand. But nobody talks about the reality of portable ice makers. The noise, the mess, the clouds of steam rolling off your so-called cold cubes, and the regret that hits when your countertop starts vibrating like it's launching a rocket. Because while the dream is crisp cubes for iced coffee, road trips, and backyard cocktails, the truth? Most portable ice makers are loud, slow, and melt faster than your will to keep using them. So before you drop $100 on a countertop noise machine that spits out half-melted bullet ice, let's break this down. Here are the worst offenders and the few models that might actually be worth the hype. Number 6. Cylon Countertop Ice Maker. Let's start with the crowd favorite that shouldn't be. Cylon's countertop model is one of the top sellers online. But don't let that fool you. Yeah, it makes ice in under 8 minutes, and sure, it comes in elegant finishes to match your kitchen decor. You know what else matches your kitchen decor? A machine that doesn't sound like a hairdryer choking on a paperclip. This thing is loud, like, makes you leave the room loud. Our favorite part? It brags about making 2 sizes of ice, but no one mentions that both are cloudy, inconsistent, and melt if you blink too hard. The self-cleaning feature sounds great on paper, but it's mostly a rinse cycle with dreams. And while it shuts off when full, the lack of insulation means your precious ice starts melting immediately, just to be reabsorbed and frozen again into a weird Frankenstein batch. So yeah, it's compact, fast, and stylish. But if you value peace, clarity, or actual cold, keep scrolling. Number 5. AGLucky Countertop Ice Maker. This one's basically Cylon with a new label and the same issues. 9 cubes in 8 minutes? Sure. 26 pounds of ice per day? On paper. But only if you sit there feeding it water and emptying it like a full-time job. AGLucky does get points for being lightweight and having easy indicator lights. But here's what the marketing doesn't say. The fan sounds like it's trying to take flight, and the water tank is so small you'll be refilling it constantly, especially if you're actually trying to host more than 2 people. Also, let's talk about the bullet-shaped ice that comes in 2 sizes. Translation, small and slightly less small. Both melt faster than anything you'd get from a real freezer, and neither one is winning any awards for quality. So unless your idea of a good time is refilling water every hour while listening to a whirring box of humidity, maybe pass. Number 4. Free Village Ice Maker Machine. Free Village? More like free vibration. This budget model promises fast ice, 9 cubes in under 8 minutes, and somehow 26 pounds in a day. Spoiler, only if you leave it running 24/7 and babysit it like a toddler with a water gun. It's compact, sure, lightweight, yes, but also built so thin, the plastic body feels like it's borrowed from a cereal box. We like the fact that it has a self-cleaning function, but let's be honest, that's just a quick flush with warm water. It won't fix cloudy ice. It won't remove internal mineral buildup. And that upgraded compressor? Still louder than a dishwasher mid-sneeze. If all you want is convenience and you're willing to trade performance, silence, and durability, this might work. But if you want actual cold, real ice, and a machine that doesn't sound like a dying fan, you're not saving money. You're just buying frustration on sale. Number 3. New Air Countertop Ice Maker, 50-pound model. Let's talk brute force. This beast makes up to 50 pounds of ice a day, which sounds impressive, until you realize it's also big enough to qualify as furniture. Yes, it makes 12 cubes in 7 minutes. Yes, it offers 3 ice sizes. And yes, it has a timer. But here's the reality. It's heavy, it's bulky, and draining it? Not fun. Hope you like dragging a dripping 40-pound block to your sink, because that's your life now. The bin's not refrigerated, just insulated. Translation: your ice still melts, just a little slower. Also, it hums like a microwave and makes a weird churning noise that had more than one tester checking their smoke detector. The performance is solid, no question. But if you want portable, this ain't it. It's the SUV of ice makers. Loud, large, and a pain to park. Number 2, GE Opal Nugget Ice Maker. Now here comes the techie diva. GE Opal is the most hyped portable ice maker on the internet. And yeah, it makes Nugget ice. That soft, chewable, Sonic-style ice everyone obsesses over. It produces 1 pound per hour, the bin holds 3 pounds, and it connects to Wi-Fi so you can control it from your phone. But here's the thing. For nearly $500, you're getting a machine that's just as fragile as the rest. Yes, the ice is great. Yes, it looks sleek. But once that reservoir runs dry or the Wi-Fi glitches, welcome to error codes, reboots, and more customer support chats than you'll ever want. And even though the bin is insulated, it's not refrigerated, so ice still melts. And while it auto-refills, it does so using melted water, which feels mildly gross. This machine is smart, but like many smart things, it's also high maintenance. Number 1, Frigidaire EFIC 189 Compact Ice Maker. Finally, a machine that gets it right, mostly. This Frigidaire unit is small, light, fast, and simple. Up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. No gimmicks, no Wi-Fi, no dancing LED screens. Just pour in the water, press a button, and get bullet ice in under 10 minutes. 2 size options: alerts when the bin's full or the tank's low, and actual insulation that helps delay melting. And when it does melt, the machine reuses that water for the next batch. Efficient, basic, and practical. Is the ice still bullet-shaped? Yes. Cloudy? Sometimes. But for this price and size, it's the closest you'll get to hassle-free countertop ice. If you must have a portable unit, this is one of the few that won't turn into a regret-filled return label. So, what's the verdict? Portable ice makers can be convenient, but most of them are noisy, melt ice quickly, and need constant attention. They're sold as plug and play, but feel more like plug and pray. Here's the truth. If you need ice all day, every day, invest in something commercial. If you just want cubes for the occasional drink, grab a $2 tray and call it a day. Because the biggest cold truth of all, most portable ice makers aren't about convenience. They're about convincing you to spend $150 plus to avoid filling a plastic tray. And that's not saving time, that's just marketing with a power cord. Thanks for watching Frugal Choice. Hit like if your ice maker ever sounded like a leaf blower in a trash can, and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you avoid overhyped junk and actually save money.